Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, December 5th, 2024. Let's find out what's going on the Solana. This is the daily time frame chart of Solana to Tether at Zondacrypto, and what is going on here is particularly very interesting. If we apply our trend line to our chart from the recent high at 263 tethers, you can clearly see that there is a kind of a interesting trend line that might be very nicely placed on the chart. It's maybe something like this, and this trend line looks like it is quite solid, and it's going to be crossed or broken really soon. Technical resistance is located at 263 tethers, so this is the level that I've just placed on the chart, and 216 is actually a technical support. The market conditions are looking quite nice. If we apply the RSI indicator, you can see that the market has been trying to bounce from the level of 50, and it finally made it. And right now, with this kind of a price action and with the current situation on the RSI, the chances for moving higher are quite big. The current momentum is at the level of 56 points. Market is about to break above this trend line. Trend line might be something like this. There you go. Trend line is being tested right now. The next immediate target after the breakout, is obviously located at 245, which is the minor technical resistance, short-term technical resistance, and then the road towards the 263 is, of course, open. So the current situation for the correction looks like the 17% correction is enough for this market to move from the extremely overbought conditions to the level of 50, the neutral level, and might be a very nice proxy for the current price movement. Nevertheless, it's worth to mention that this almost 18% correction is the biggest correction since this low, because as far as I can see, this one is actually 40 something percent. So that's definitely completely different cycle from the this is August this year, right? So we need to see what's the situation here on the after this low was made. The low was 110, and you can see that the previous corrections are quite big as well. This one is 24%. This one, for example, is actually 16%. The other one is the other one is even lower. It's like a 14%. So since this low, that correction is not the biggest one. It might look like the biggest correction, but however, the 24 points was the biggest one. And if we even apply it to this level here, we will have almost 25 points, right, of the correction. So that's not overbalance of price and time. The market might continue the movement to the upside. Apparently, from the Elliott wave point of view, this movement to the upside still looks like a potential wave 3 to the upside still unfolding, and all of these corrections might be just the sub waves of the wave, impulsive wave, basically of the wave 3, because we will have the labeling of 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and maybe 3, 4, 5. So that's the wave 3. We are not doing wave 4, so there is still one wave to the upside that needs to be done in order to complete this movement on the Solana to Tether. The target level, the most obvious one is of course the 300 tethers per Solana, and it will be hit when this kind of a momentum like here and here is of course maintained, and the breakout above $263 is made really aggressively, dynamically, and with a very good strong momentum as well. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.